Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to see how to increase your laptop speaker volume on Windows 10. So let's start. First, right click on your speaker icon, then click on this sounds option. After that, click on the first tab, playback, and now you will see your speaker icon. Right click on it, then click on properties. Now here the option you need is this enhancement. One more thing, if you don't have this enhancement option, I will show you how to enable this. So if you don't have the enhancement tab, in that case right click on the Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. After that, click on this option sound, video and game controllers. Expand this option, and here you will see this option Realtek audio. So right click on it, then click on update driver. After that, click on this option browse my computer, then click on this option let me pick from. Now here you have to select the first option, this option high definition audio device. Select this option and after that click on next. So this will install the high definition audio in your system. But if you don't have a Realtek audio, in that case select this one Intel display audio. Do the same thing, right click on it, then click on update driver, click on browse my computer, then click on let me pick from, and now select the high definition audio device. Select this option, then click on next. So this will install the high definition, and after that restart your laptop and this will fix the issue. Now do this if you don't have the enhancement tab. After restarting your system, you will see this option enhancement. Now in enhancement tab, first untick this option. Now you will see this option loudness equalization. Tick this option, so this will increase the volume of your laptop speaker. Then click on apply, and you can also preview the sound as well. So if I untick this option, you can preview, and take this option and you can click on preview again, and you can feel or hear the loud sound. Okay, so tick this option, and after that click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. That's it. So this is how you can increase the volume of your laptop speaker on Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.